Hello and welcome. Today we are going to discuss about the syllabus. Syllabus is introduced by Board of Secondary Education Manipur. Board has introduced new syllabus, the deleted portion, and what will be the syllabus for 2021 to 2022. Okay, for this year, okay, your board exam is coming, and this is the syllabus given by the board. Now we are going to discuss the syllabus for science is given by the board. So, chapter number 1, periodic classification of element. This is chemistry. Chapter number 1, and the portion from chapter number 1, the portion deleted are early attempts at the classification of element, Lavoisier classification, Daubigner's law of trade, and Newland laws of octaves. These are the beginning few chapters which are deleted. You don't need to study that. Okay. And next chapter, chapter number 2, chemical bonding. From chemical bonding, the chapters like coordinates or dative bond, formations of ozone, hydronium ion and ammonium ion, covalent, do covalence bond, show partial character. These are the deleted portion. This you'll find in a book, chapter number 2, little bit later portion of the book, not the beginning one. Okay, beginning are all those covalent bond, ionic bond, electrovalent, all those are discussed in beginning. Later portion of the book you'll find this one. So that is also deleted. And after that we have acid, bases and salt. From this, does the dissolutions of acids and alkalis in water involve heat exchange, hydrolysis of salt in water? This is deleted. Okay, and the marks given are chapter number 1 and 2, 7 mark questions will come from chapter number 1 and 2. And chapter number 3 and 4, 7 marks. And from chapter number 4, the deleted portion are physical changes, chemical reaction, chemical equations, reactants, products, exothermic and endothermic reaction. Respiration is an exothermic process. Decomposition reactions are endothermic reactions, neutralization reaction, oxidation, reduction in everyday life. Rancidity is slow and fast reaction, moderately fast reaction. Too much topics are deleted from chapter number 4, and chapter number 3 and 4 together comprises of 7 marks. Okay, so this is 7 marks. Now let us go down and see chapter number 5, metals and non-metals. Chemistry, metals and non-metals. From here some chapters are deleted like metals, non-metals, metalloids, physical properties of metals and non-metals, some exceptions to general trends, extraction of metals of high reactivity, alloys and amalgam, some common alloys. These are the deleted portion from this chapter, metals and non-metals. And alone this chapter comprises of 5 marks. So important chapter. Okay. Now let us do the next one, carbon and its compound. So there are some deleted portion from carbon and its compound. Nomenclature of carbon compound, word root, primary suffix, secondary suffix, prefix, primary prefix, secondary prefix, chemical properties of carbon compounds, combustion, oxidations, addition reactions, substitution reaction, properties of ethanol, vinegar. All these are deleted portion from this chapter. So quite many. Okay, so deleted portion are quite much. So, and chapter number 7, materials of common use, the ammonia soda or solvay, process, salts and detergents. These are deleted, and these two, chapter number 6 and 7, from these two chapters 7 mark questions will be asked. If you think you are finding it difficult to find it out which topic is it, do not worry, you will find all this topic directly written in your textbook. Okay, you just open a textbook and you'll find this topic. Okay, and you can just remove that one. Okay, not even a single question will be asked from that topic itself. Okay, now this is chemistry. There are 7 chapters, and not even a single chapter is completely deleted. Only topics are deleted. So now let us look into physics. Okay, physics, chapter number 8, electricity. From physics, chapter number 8, it is electricity. From electricity, no deletion. Okay, nothing is deleted from electricity. Electricity will come completely, and it comprises of 8 marks. So study electricity completely, and magnetism also study everything, and 7 mark questions is asked from there. Electromagnetic induction, some portion are deleted like electric generator. Okay, domestic electric circuits, hazards of electricity and precautions, and electric power plant. You'll find all this chapter a little bit later on the book. Okay, electro and light, okay, one of the vast syllabus one. Okay, so from this also there are certain portion deleted like human eye and defects of vision, dispersion of light, phenomena caused by refraction in atmosphere. These are the deleted portion you'll find in the later portion of the book, later portion of the chapter, and it is also given that it comprises of 6 marks. So where is my cursor? Yeah, 6 mark. Now in chapter number 12, sources of energy, you don't need to study sources of energy, completely deleted. And chapter number 13, life process. Okay, now here we have completed physics portion. For physics, 1 chapter is completely deleted. Okay, there are 5 chapters total and 1 chapter is deleted, so you need to study 4. And out of 4, 2, so physics 2 chapters, no deletion, nothing is deleted from 2 chapters, and from 2 chapters some portion are deleted. That's all for physics. Now let us look into biology. Biology will start by life process, chapter number 13, and life process there is no deletion. Okay, life process we don't have any deleted portion from life process. So, and life process it is given that it is of 7 marks. Let us go down and look into chapter number 14, control and coordinations in living things. From here some deleted portion are there like condition reflexes, immediate response to stimuli, movement due to growth, apical dominance. These are the deleted portion from this chapter, control and coordination in living things. And reproduction, from chapter called reproduction, no deletion. Okay, so chapter number 14 some portion are deleted and the marks given is 2 marks. And from this reproduction there is no deletion and marks is 4 mark. Heredity and evolution, there are certain portion which are deleted like Mendel's second law of inheritance, dihybrid cross, the origin of life, homologous and analogous organs, human evolution, and the portion, okay, are given here. You can remove all those things that will not come, remaining will come. And from chapter number 17, our environment, there is no deletion. Okay, chapter number 18, natural resources, from there Forest Conservation Act 1980 is deleted. From chapter number 19, the regional environment, deleted. Limitations, environmental problems, this is deleted. Now you can see here that from biology 3 chapters are there with nothing is deleted, like chapter number 13. Okay, this is deleted, and this no deletion from chapter number 13, no deletion from reproduction, and no deletion from our environment. And the remaining chapters some portion are deleted. Okay, and there is not even a single chapter in biology which is completely deleted. That's all. I hope you are able to understand me. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, please write down in the comment below, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.